This doorbell camera needs a hero.
Okay, are you ready for me to fix your bat?
Yes. Hit it with your hardest.
You got it. You good?
Never better.
Sir, you know why I stopped you?
Not really, but you can enlighten me.
First off, this car reeks of marijuana, and I can see it's all over the cabin. What's going on here?
That's because it's full of it, officer.
This is better than that time we rode the carousel together. Look at what you did. It's adorable. You really knocked the whole skyline offline, buddy.
Took a little effort, but I wanted to make it memorable for you.
Well, mission accomplished.
Wait, what the? There's a bear on the floor.
You've got to be kidding me. He's got the ball. For the win from the bear.
All right, boys, time to contribute to the menu.
Wait, no!
Perfectly ground. Nothing says house-made like fresh plankton paste. Feast your eye on the Chumwich Deluxe, sir.
Out of the way, you twit. I'm here to see my husband, Biggest Dickus. What are you laughing about? Tell my husband his wife, Incontinentia Buttocks, is here to see him.
Get the stage on fire!
Think you can handle more? Keep watching.
You're slowing down, Shade.
Don't mistake hesitation for weakness.
Richard Johnson joins us this morning from his home in St. Paul. Richard, first of all, congratulations. You are officially in the Guinness Book for the world's smallest penis, 1/100th of an inch. How are you feeling?
Thank you. It's a little surreal, honestly. I grew up never thinking I'd hold any kind of record, but here we are. It's tiny, but it's mighty in its own way.
We already bought some from the neighbor.
I'm all right. Whoa, you good? Just a rough landing.
Now press down repeatedly as you sing, staying alive, staying alive.
Now people ask, who is Waluigi? But Waluigi is the ultimate example of the individual shaped by the signifier.
Oh no, how are we going to get ready in time for the prom, Dilbert?
Not to worry, Annabelle. We can always... Let me out! 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 Let me out!
Oh boy, that one just kind of snuck right out.
Sounds like you might need to go white, neighbor.
Maybe so.
Q98! That's right! Q98! 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 Q98!
You start with Mario, the wholesome all-Italian plumbing Superman. You reflect him to create Luigi, same thing, but just a little less. You invert Mario to create Wario. Mario turns septic and libertarian.
I'm the murderer! Do you see this jawline? Go! 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 My God, it's still coming! Look at it! Right behind us! Hold on! We're not losing it! Hands up, don't move!
Please, I didn't mean to. Don't take me to jail.
Keep your paws where we can see them.
You're under arrest for theft. Quit squirming.
I swear I'll put it back.
Should have thought of that before you grabbed
Please,
it.
officer.
Afternoon, my friend. You got some of that nip?
Sorry, buddy. Not today.
Such a shame. Well, fair winds to you.
In the case of baby Jalen, wacky inflatable tube man, you are not the father.
He is not his own man. In a world where our identities are shaped by our warped relationships to brands and commerce, we are all Waluigi.
Hey! Put the chips down!
Ain't going back, man.
Stop! Police, drop it!
Sir?
Stop right now, you're not gonna get away!
I just need a snack, man.
Get down! Hands behind your back! Ow!
Okay, okay.
Stop resisting! Cuffs going on!
You know about the Q98 invasion? It's like spreading around the whole world wide right now. Freaking wild. They say it's all caused by some guy named S.S. William Fox. I don't know who that is, but the Q98 invasion might happen, man. Sounds kind of serious.
Yeah, I guess everyone's gonna be saying that word right now, hopefully in a good way, not a freaking bad.
Your bid is 911. Now let's see what you were playing for. Open those curtains.
It's a towering replica of the World Trade Center. 2 gleaming 6-foot-tall models crafted in aluminum.
Movie people, order something or I'll start charging for oxygen. I ordered Joy, but you were out.
Maybe we can just enjoy each other's company, McKay?
Preach, counselor. We're the hottest mismatched posse in town. That's box.
Excuse me, miss. Could I get a glass of water? Just regular water.
I'm sorry, sir. We aren't serving drinks while we're on the tarmac. It'll be just a few more minutes.
You're kidding me!
Okay, big guy, bring it! This slow! I'm to end this! Did I win? I did!
You know, friends, people make all kinds of shows. This one here, with a head in a toilet bowl, is called Skibbity Toilet. It's mostly pretend. It's a silly story about singing toilets. But sometimes it feels like that's all we talk about anymore, doesn't it? You know what? I'm sick of it.
Hey, who's gonna pay for that?
Yo, is that a cat?
Get back here!
It's stealing a Roomba, dude!
Somebody stop it! Who's paying for that?
It's gone.
I got an apple, apple pen. I got a pen, a pineapple, pineapple pen, apple pen. I have the pineapple.
Drop it! You take one more step and I swear I'll put you face down on the pavement. Hands where I can see them. Now! Last warning, pal.
Believe it or not, that's Newton the orange tabby towing the Rockefeller Center Christmas tree all by himself. The spruce is strapped to a flatbed and this cat has the rope clenched in his teeth.
Hey! What the? Cat just took a fish!
Get back here!
Police! Move, move!
Watch out! Cat heading for the doors! Still moving, south lot!
When the city needs a hero this summer, the answer might stink.
You better stand back. Dinner's fighting for justice.
The Incredible Gassy, coming soon.
Praise hell and praise Dale! He's gone, dude. Oh. No way! Oh my God! He made it through.
Bro, he really did it.
Dude, that's insane.
Holy
Hold the line! Keep pushing!
Heisenberg, you've just won a 55-gallon drum of methylamine.
Yeah, Mr. White! That's what I'm talking about!
I don't know what to say. That's incredible.
Let's cook!
Ha! Congratulations.
Hello, my fucking blue fucking friend. What?
All right, little buddies, hang tight. I'm going for that guy right there.
He's just eating a carrot. Oh my God.
Easy, now.
Got him. No way.
Soft landing.
Look at his little face.
Please don't time! You can't view me! Where'd he go? Motivation on the move! He just disappeared. Whoa, that's tingly on the brainstem! Judah, you
colors, buddy. I can hear colors. I can... Wait, who's knocking?
Nobody's knocking.
All right, the ramp. Woo! Spin kick. Coins everywhere. Nice. And got it. First star collected. Into the portal we go.
Let's go. Belly slam. Boom. Double knockout. One more. Down you go.
Waluigi is the ultimate example of the individual shaped by the signifier. Waluigi is a man seen only in mirror image.
Alright, listen up. This little ladder throne right here, lifesaver. My kid went from total refusal to king of the potty in a weekend. It's because of this thing. Handles up top so they feel secure, cushy seats so it's not cold, and these steps non-slip even.
You guys, I'm gonna be a millionaire. I just put 3 months allowance into Hawk2a coin. Dude, that's such a scam. Yeah, you're gonna get rug pulled, Cartman. Nuh-uh, you guys! It's fake. You're literally just giving your money away.
Mrs. Welch, Hawk2a coin is exploding. What's the move?
Rug pull that
Get the champagne! Kyle is such a poor loser. I'm the smartest investor ever. What? Hawk2a coin got rug pulled? No! My money's gone! No! Holy crap, Freddy Fazbear!
Okay, Tokyo, listen. That is not a normal waffle fry. That's a quantum starch filament. It could destabilize, like, everything.
Tastes like curly heaven, Grandpa. Chill.
Chill? You just opened a baby portal into someone's lunch.
Oh! Can you remake it? Excuse me? Are you recording me? No, no, no. You do not get to talk to me like that. Listen to me. Excuse me!
Whoa.
Hey, Dad, you been sitting here all day? You look like a tax return that gave up halfway through.
No, son. I'm watching something important. This is how top dogs like me stay informed, by absorbing valuable consumer information.
Think you can handle the sludge? Introducing the Snail Slug Slime. Whoever drinks the most pure snail slime wins.
Hurrah! New Ferrari!
That's right. Chug the goo, snag the car. Sign up now and prove your stomach's got...
That can't be real, right?
Real as the blood pumping through my veins, boy. Did you hear that? A Ferrari. That's Italian for status.
Yeah, but it's snail slime, like literal mucus. That's not even FDA approved.
The FDA is for quitters. You think our fathers waited for approval to eat lobster? Those are sea roaches. This is destiny. One of us is winning that Ferrari.
And by one of us, you mean...
You. Obviously you. My cholesterol would explode faster than Roger at an open bar wedding.
Wait, what? Why me?
Because you're young, and let's face it, you've been begging for father-son bonding.
Ugh, gross.
Well, congratulations. We're bonding over gastropod goo.
Ugh. Dad, there's no universe where I'm chugging snail slime for a Ferrari.
This is America. There's no universe where you're not. Come on, champ. The ad said first 50 contestants get a free bucket.
Right. Free bucket.
Welcome, you beautiful freaks, to the 12th annual Snail Slug Slam, where dignity comes to die and Ferraris are born!
See? Just look at this crowd. Men, women, and at least 3 people who look like they escaped a methadone clinic. Competition.
Dad, everyone here looks like they've already drunk half a terrarium.
Sign here, kid. In case your organs turn into soup, we can't be sued.
Wait, what?
He's fine. The Smith family doesn't sue. We conquer.
Dad, you signed something with a skull?
Alright, slime lovers, you know the rules. Each contestant has 10 minutes to drink as much grade A snail sludge as humanly possible. Winner drives home in a brand new Ferrari F8. Losers probably crawl.
This is so gross. I can actually smell regret.
Nonsense! You're about to become a legend, son.
Oh, it's alive.
Don't look at it. That's how they psych you out.
Yeah, you know the rules. Drink that sludge. Drink that sludge. Drink that.
Do it for the Ferrari, son. Be the slug you wish to see in the world.
Oh my God! It tastes like if seaweed had a burp.
That's victory. Don't stop now.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have a front runner!
That's my boy. You're the snail slayer, the gastropod gladiator, the... That's the taste of horsepower, son. Horsepower and mild neurological damage. Good job on winning that contest, son. No! Oh, come on, stop, Steve, stop, you're getting it. No, Steve, not in the, please. Dad's gotta drive. Steve!